for being so patient while I've been away. Been busy getting ready for the West Coast Doll Show, doing lots of sewing, lots of packing, lots of organizing, you name it. I've been busy doing it. But now I am back and we're going to be getting started on our next video series on reboarding. And I want to show you which doll kit we are going to be going with. So if you would like to follow along doing the exact same sculpt, this little one is Jasmine. Jasmine is by Priscilla Lopez. She's just a tiny little peanut, and I thought it'd be fun to do an open-eyed version so you guys can get an idea on painting open-eyed babies as well, on how I personally do it. I hope you enjoy this next segment that's going to be coming up. But I also wanted to quickly tell all of you that we are going to be doing a drawing. What you need to do in order to qualify for the drawing is share this post and like and make a comment on this video. That's all you got to do. And make sure you're following. If you are a subscriber that is already a member of my channel, then you'll also get additional entries into the contest. We're going to run this contest the end of this month. At the end of the month, we're going to go ahead and I'm going to give away a very nice limited edition blank kit for all of you. I will announce which kit we're going to be doing soon. I just haven't 100% decided which one we're going to give away. However, I will have a wonderful kit for you all. Make sure you like, you subscribe, and you make a comment on this post, share it. If you haven't become a member, hop on. It's going to be a lot of fun this coming year. I'm excited to do some new videos with you guys, and we're going to start with this little Jasmine for our next series. Stay tuned, guys, and I will see you all again soon. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye now.